Hi, Rich Tehrani here in the TMC newsroom, and today we are on location at the Telex CBX 2009 event, which is in Midtown Manhattan. We'll be speaking with Gabe Silverberg, who is with Global Beehive. Gabe, how are you?
How are you doing? Pleasure to meet you.
Great. Pleasure to meet you as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about your company.
Well, Global Beehive is, essentially what we've done is we've developed a SaaS-based platform for WAN optimization. One of the things that we were really finding within the marketplace, as the data needs grow within every single market, and as telecom moves towards video and everything else, more data is going to be flowing, right? And that data needs to move from point A to point B faster.
Right.
So what we've done is we've taken this great product called Signiant Software Solutions, very big in the media and entertainment world, and we've partnered with them to take their software and put it in a SaaS environment to bring it to a larger marketplace.
And so the software doesn't need to, or an appliance or something doesn't need to live?
Exactly. It doesn't, the way that it works is that it can work on any sort of PC or any sort of server or whatever it is. What happens is that there's a little small piece of logic that resides at each end or at each node of where you're trying to send the data. And what happens is that it just has that little piece of logic, and there's a central media manager that controls those points. And it'll initiate the transfer. It's a fully automated system set up to, you can design it based off of your media workflow or your data workflow, data replication, whatever it is, to be fully automated and just automatically do the work itself.
Does it need tuning at all, or?
It doesn't need tuning at all. Obviously, the central media manager really gives you complete control over your transfers, over your data transfers. There's actually a web-based GUI that allows you to actually see your transfers in progress as they're really moving. There's also a tool involved that allows you to throttle the bandwidth back and forth if you guys actually need it. So it's controlling the bandwidth. It can help out with the bandwidth. It gives you 95% productivity of the total pipe. It elevates the FTP transfer time 200 times faster than traditional FTP processes.
And in this economic environment, have you found the need for this type of solution to be greater or less?
Much greater. One of the things, especially with this product and things that we're finding, is the SaaS model allows companies who really wanted to invest in WAN acceleration software, WAN acceleration. It allows them to use their OpEx instead of a CapEx. Traditionally, stuff like this resides in appliance-based products and are extremely expensive and needs to be put at every single node. So our product, since it's software-based and resides on our clouds, allows customers to enable them to use the WAN acceleration as a subscription basis. It's fully scalable. You can put it in, you can take it out, and basically all designed to meet the needs of today's marketplace.
Great. So what's next for the company?
Well, we're actually, we're still, we're developing the company, growing the company, and trying to branch it out into much larger areas. We're very big right now within media and entertainment.
Sure.
Obviously, the very high amounts of data that you're using. But we feel that there's a huge need within the telecom world, as well as all the other verticals,
sure,
people that are using huge amounts of data that, that we're trying to expand to, that just to get them to notice the product and to see the product. As up until now, it really hasn't been noticed. People really don't know that much about it.
Sure.
So the next objective for the company is just to get the word out that the software is available, and it's something that we can help out with.
If someone who's listening or viewing this right now wants to learn more, where do they go?
Best place is actually is the website at www.globalbeehive.com, or to be honest, my telephone number, 646-419-4550, and I'll be happy to answer any calls.
Fantastic. My name is Rich Tehrani. We've been listening to Gabe Silverberg, who's with Global Beehive. Thank you very much for watching.
Hey, thank you.